Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you have a large or small family?
I have a small family, which I love. When there are fewer people involved, I believe it is easier to stay close and connected.
Question number 2. How much time do you spend with your family?
I make every effort to spend as much time as possible with my family. Because I value family, I treasure any time I spend with them. We frequently gather for dinner, watch movies, and simply hang out.
Question number 3. What do you like to do together as a family?
We enjoy going out and exploring new places together. We also enjoy taking vacations and trying new things. These activities are a great way for us to stay active and spend quality time together. Furthermore, making memories as a family is always enjoyable.
Question number 4. How do you spend time with your family?
We spend time together by going to the park, playing games, having movie nights, going on walks, and going out to dinner. We also enjoy spending time together at home, whether it's cooking, playing board games, or simply catching up on each other's lives.
Question number 5. Do you get on well with your family?
Yes, my family and I get along great. We have a lot of respect for one another and try to understand each other's points of view. We also enjoy spending time together and have a lot of fun when we do so.
Question number 6. Are you close to your family members?
Yes, I have a close relationship with my family members. We have a strong bond, and I can talk to them about anything. We have mutual trust and enjoy spending time together.
Question number 7. Who are you closest to in your family?
My parents are the people to whom I am closest. They have been extremely supportive throughout my life and have always been there for me in good times and bad. I am also very close to my siblings and cousins, with whom I share a strong bond.
Question number 8. What activities did you do when you were young?
I used to enjoy sports, going on bike rides, exploring nature, and playing games with my family when I was younger. I also liked reading and learning new things.
Question number 9. How has your family influenced you?
My family has had a significant impact on me. They have taught me valuable life lessons such as the importance of hard work, honesty, and treating others with dignity. They also taught me that I should never give up on my dreams.
Question number 10. Do you want to live with your family in the future?
Yes, in the future, I would like to live with my family. I believe it would be beneficial to be able to spend more time together and rely on each other for support. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.